Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to monitor your AWS EC2 instance using Cloudwatch. So basically, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to monitor CPU utilization of your AWS EC2 instance using Cloudwatch. Alright, so let's get started. So in this, firstly, we have to launch our instance, and the name of my instance is Cloudwatch. Easy to. So after this, we have to select our operating system, and R is Ubuntu, and I'm choosing T2.micro, and my key pair is Paul. So the next is network settings, in which we create a new security group. So at the end, we have to launch instance. For this, we have to wait a couple of minutes for the initialize. So yeah, our instance is initializing. We have to wait for a couple of minutes. Alright, our instance is running and the data check is also passed. And also verify one more thing, you have enabled the detail monitoring. Okay, so the next is we have to configure monitor CPU utilization of this particular EC2 instance with the Cloudwatch. To do that, let us go to Cloudwatch. Let me type in Cloudwatch. So you can directly search and watch, and you can open that in the new tab also. So this is a console of Cloudwatch. So we are in Cloudwatch right now. So this is the dashboard of Cloudwatch. So basically this is how it looks. So we are interested in creating CPU utilization. For that we have to matrix in which the namespace. So if you don't know what is namespace, let us discuss in a future. So we have to use in matrix EC2. Under the EC2 we have to use pre-instance. You in this you will have the CPU utilization memory. Everything or whatever the EC2 instance that you configure so far, the details of all the EC2 instance will be available here. So here you to search in the better way. So in my account running my EC2 instance, and also you copy the image ID of a running instance and copy here. So you can see uh, our instance is like Cloudwatch EC2 that we had created. So for this we have to choose CPU utilization. So yeah, there is CPU utilization. So this is show our graph. So the next part is alarm section. So this is where you can look into the matrix. So you want to create an alarm, you can do in alarm, and we have to create alarm. So in this we have to select metric. So we are interested in CPU utilization, we need to select that. Okay, so in this, here is also same thing, you have already seen how this work. So for this, also go to pre-install metrics and copy your EC2 and check it for the CPU utilization. We need to select CPU utilization, where CPU utilization. So yeah, here is CPU utilization, as you can see there. So I'm selecting CPU utilization. So here is a summary or in which the namespace, that is AWS EC2, and metric name CPU utilization, and this is our instance ID, and next is statics, and the other one is period. We have to choose what. So this is as per your needs. For this, in the next we have to set up a condition that the threshold type, CPU utilization whenever greater than, lower than, equal to, or lower, and then define the threshold values. uh, so here we have choose 3 as per my choice. So the next one is we have to configure our action like EC2 auto scaling. So in my case we have to use SNS. So basically SNS is for the notification. So in this we have selected existence. So you can create a new topic, but I'm already done it, so I choose existing SNS topic. So uh, uh, and my mail is srishandra@com, in which my alarm is triggered as per notification. So we don't have use auto scaling, so let skip it and we go for the EC2 action and add EC2 action. And the alarm stage is triggered when we stop the instance, terminate the instance, reboot the, as per my choice. So in this case I'm using stop the instance, in which you can only stop an instance if a backed in an ABS volume. So I'm choosing the stop the instance. You can choose as per your need. So in the next we have to add name and description of our alarm. So firstly we have to put our alarm name, and here I'm choosing CPU utilization, and alarm description is optional, but I mention CPU utilization easy to. So the next is, here is our summary of our alarm and description. So in this case you can edit as per your need, but I'm okay with it as of now. So I can create alarm. So our alarm is created. So in this it means the utilization is less than 3. You what we will do, we will go ahead and go now to increase the use of utilization CPU by installing an application called stress. Okay, so let me log into the EC2 instance using instance connect method. So let me go here quickly and connect to this instance. So I'll go with the SSH client. So in this we have to firstly go on is CD downloads. So right now I am in downloads. In the next we have to just copy this key, SSH key. So it will do the password. So I'll put password. So they'll ask me for the configuration and I'll put it yes. So the very first command we put, that is sudo apt-get update. So basically this is for the, this command is used to download packages information from all the configured resources. So it will download our packages information. So the next command is for the CPU, for the increase of CPU utilization. So we have to just install our stress. So the command is for the stress is sudo apt-get install stress. So it will install the stress. So the next command is, so the next command is stress hyphen hyphen CPU space 1. So yeah, I'm going to cloud watch management in this RCP utilization. So this is our instance and let it check it out. So it can notify me through my Gmail. So you can see that our CPU utilization increased and we got the state in alarm. So uh, it will notify me via Gmail. So this is how our AWS notification that our CPU utilization is increased. So this is how this is how you can create CPU utilization alarm for a particular EC2 instance using Cloudwatch AWS console. Okay, so that's it. Bye.